Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. And as most of you know, trading may look easy, but it's certainly not easy. Nevertheless, there are things that you know to look for if you do know how to look for them that'll help you trade and help you trade more successfully. One of those things is looking out for the intraday high or low. And so today on Monday, April 1st, the intraday high was put in just about 15 minutes after the market opened at, let's see, this is 53.16. Market traded down from there, but nevertheless, the important point is not where the market traded down to, it's where the market traded from, and that's the intraday high, which was established at about 9:45. Most of you know that trading, being a great way to make a living, is also fraught with difficulty. And so what are the things that traders need to know and look for to avoid to make mistakes? And so in order to tell you what those mistakes are and help you avoid them, spot them and avoid them, I offer an absolutely free, as in F-R-E-E, free trading course at my site at timelessdollar.com. Go to the site and click right over here, Avoiding Costly Trading Mistakes. It's absolutely free. Enroll in the course costs you nothing. So what you want to know is the mistakes to spot so that you can avoid making them. Now, if you've seen the movie War Games with Matthew Broderick, the key line in the movie is a line that's said toward the end of the movie is, "The only way to win is not to play." And for most traders, unfortunately, that's true. But nevertheless, if you know what to look for and you know the mistakes to spot and avoid, you can be successful. Now, the intraday high, and I use it in conjunction with the stochastics. Down here I have my stochastics, pretty fast stochastic, but nevertheless I use it together with the Taylor trading zone, and I use that to transpose the range when I see the intraday high or low, and in this case I transpose it to the intraday high. And of course, when did I know that this was the intraday high? Well, you never know, but you can make an assumption, and that's an important thing in trading, because there's no certainties in trading, but there are possibilities. And the possibility that this was the intraday high was printed right over here at 10 o'clock, where the market tested but didn't take out the high that was put in at 9:45. And so I transposed my Taylor trading range down here and told me that the market should trade down to, or probably would trade down to 52.93, which of course it did, and basically stabilized around here, ended the day at that level as well. So using the intraday high together with the Taylor trading zone and the stochastics, together with now knowing how to spot and avoid mistakes, is going to go a long way in helping you trade more successfully. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video. Marv Eisen for Timeless Dollar Trading Academy.